Salut mes amis, bienvenue au procès avec Poonam. Hello my friends and welcome to French with Poonam. I hope all of you are doing good. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, then do subscribe to my channel and watch my previous two videos where I have talked about French alphabets and their pronunciation and some French words beginning with the letters A to D. So in today's lesson we will be talking about some French words beginning with the letters A, F, J, A, H, which is E, F, G and H. So let's start. But before beginning, I want you to note down few points. Please note this down that in French the final E is silent. So wherever you find a word ending with E, for example here étudiant, this E is silent, and second example you can write down école, where this E is also silent. Étudiant and école. Okay. Second point, there are 26 alphabets in French as we have already talked about, and out of which 20 are consonants and 6 are your vowels. 20 consonnes, this is what we say in French, and 6 voyelles. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. In addition to these 5 vowels that we have in English, we have one more which is Y. So how do we spell it in French? A, E, O, U, Y. These are the 6 vowels that you have in French. You must have noticed that in some of the words you will find some symbols on top of some of the alphabets or letters like this. So these are some of the symbols that you will find. These are called accents or accent in French. And we'll talk about these accents later on in the coming up lessons. One more thing, the sound of E in French is different from this E with a symbol that is inclined towards the right hand side. When you will see A with this symbol towards the right hand side, it is pronounced as A. Okay? And this we have already done in the last video. A, N or A, N together makes the sound on, which is a nasal sound. And this produces oo sound. So let's begin. Our first word is elephant. Elephant, where this T is silent. Elephant, which means an elephant. Right? Next word, étudiant. Étudiant, which is a student in French, but a masculine student. When you have to refer to a feminine student, the spelling changes. We just add an E to the end, and it is étudiante. Étudiante. Étudiant. Both of which are student. This is a male student, this is a feminine student. Third word, école. École. Here this E is silent. École means school. Écouter. Écouter means to listen. So it is a verb. What are verbs? Are your action words which tell you what you are doing, like to play, to love, to laugh. All these are your verbs. We will cover verbs also later on. So in French we say that whenever you have a verb ending in ER, I have written this point, in ER ending verbs the final R is not pronounced. Okay, so it is pronounced as écouter. This R is silent here. And the fifth word is enfant. Enfant means a child. Enfant. This sound. revise all the 5 words. Elephant, elephant, étudiant, étudiant, étudiante, étudiante, école, école, écouter, écouter, to listen, and enfant, enfant, child. And now let us study some of the French words beginning with the letter F. It is pronounced the same way as in English, F. So the first word is for a French person. If the person is masculine or male, we say français, français, français. Here this say with this symbol is pronounced as S. Okay, so it becomes français, français. S is silent. And in case of, this is français. In case of feminine, a French lady or a French woman, we say française. Till here we pronounce it and this E is silent. So it becomes française, française. Okay? Français, française. Second, fromage. Fromage. Fromage means cheese. Fromage. E is silent here. Now this word, the third word, femme. Femme. Femme means a lady. Femme. E is silent here. Now in French, this combination E-L-L together produces the sound E, like the E alphabet in English. So it becomes fille. Fille. Fille means a girl. Fille. Fifth word, same rule applies here. This is E, so it becomes famille. Famille. Famille means family. Famille. Let us revise. Français, française, a French person. Fromage, cheese. Femme, lady. Fille, girl. And famille, family. Now let us study some of the French words beginning with the letter J. J. The first word is gomme. Gomme. Gomme means an eraser. Gomme. Here the last E is silent. Second word is for a cake. Gâteau. Gâteau. I have already told you all these sounds. A, U together produces the sound O, and similarly I have written for other combinations. So this becomes gâteau. Gâteau. Gâteau means a cake. Now this is garçon. 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 This is pronounced as S. Say with this symbol, and this becomes ghar. Ghar. Garçon. Garçon. Garçon means a boy. A garçon. Next word, gens. Gens. Gens means people. And the last word, genou. 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 Genou means a knee. Gomme, gâteau, garçon, gens, genou. And now let's study some of the words beginning with the letter H. H. So in French, this letter H is a mute letter or a silent letter which is not pronounced. So beginning with the first word, it is not horloge, horloge, it is horloge, horloge. This H is silent. Horloge, horloge. and E is also silent because it is at the end, which means a wall clock. Horloge. Second, Om. Om. Again this E is silent and H also mute letter. Om. Om means a man. Third, Hotel. Hotel. Hotel is a hotel. Fourth letter, fourth word, Ibu. 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 Ibu is an owl. Ibu. The fifth one, Hospital. Hospital, which is hospital. 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 So let us revise all the 5 words. Horloge. Horloge. Om. Om. A man. Hotel. Hotel. Ibu. Ibu. Owl. Hospital. 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 And now let us quickly revise the 20 words that we have learned today. Elephant. Elephant. Étudiant. 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 And this is étudiante. Étudiante. École. École. Écouter. Écouter. Enfant. Enfant. Français. Français. Française. Française. Fromage. Fromage. Fille. Fille. Femme. Femme. Famille. Famille. Gomme. Gomme. Casso. Casso. Gâteau. Gâteau. Jean. Jean. Genou. Genou. Horloge. Horloge. Homme. Homme. Hotel. Hotel. Ibu. Ibu. Hospital. Hospital. If you are liking my lessons, then please subscribe to my channel, like my video, give it a thumbs up and share it as much as it is possible so that it can reach the people who really require it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.